sixth-generation fighter jets represent the pinnacle of aviation and defense technology. Designed to dominate the future battlefield with unparalleled capabilities in stealth, autonomy, and advanced weaponry. These jets are envisioned to surpass the already sophisticated fifth-generation fighters in several key areas, setting a new benchmark for air combat. Key features of sixth-generation fighters. Sixth-generation fighter jets aim to revolutionize air combat with the following advancements. The Bas 1. Autonomy. These jets will have the ability to operate autonomously or semi-autonomously, functioning as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or in coordination with human pilots. Tainmush. Artificial intelligence, ML. AI will enable these jets to make real-time decisions during missions, such as identifying and engaging enemy targets without human intervention. 3. Hypersonic speed. With speeds exceeding Mach 5 times the speed of sound, sixth-generation jets will outpace existing air defense systems, ensuring rapid deployment and evasion. Dakush 4. Advanced stealth. These jets will employ multi-spectrum stealth technologies, making them invisible not only to radar, but also to thermal and infrared sensors for directed energy weapons. Incorporating laser and electromagnetic weapons, sixth-generation jets will effectively counter enemy missiles, drones, and aircraft with precision. Sixth-generation fighters will act as mobile command centers, seamlessly integrating with other jets, drones, and ground forces to share real-time intelligence and coordinate attacks. Tasharin 7. Modular design. These jets will feature flexible architectures, allowing for mission-specific customization with different weapons and technologies. The 1. 8. Cyber warfare capabilities. Sixth-generation jets will not only resist cyber attacks, but also launch counterattacks to disrupt enemy networks. China's role in the race. China has made significant advancements in defense technology and aims to be among the first to deploy a sixth-generation fighter jet. Its J-22 is already considered one of the most advanced stealth fighters globally, and China's sixth-generation program is expected to rival the US's next-generation air dominance NG-8 initiative. Experts predict that China's sixth-generation jets could be operational by 2035. As China, the US, and other global powers compete to develop these next-generation aircraft, their success will not only revolutionize air combat, but also shape the geopolitical landscape for decades to come.